Hey everyone, whether you're working behind a desk or on a construction site, your safety should always come first. The scary truth, most workplace accidents are completely preventable if you know what to look for. Today, we are breaking down the 10 most common workplace hazards and, more importantly, exactly how you can stay protected from each one. Stick with me because this knowledge could literally save your life or prevent a serious injury. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 1, slips, trips, and falls. These account for over 30% of workplace injuries. First, wet floors, whether it's a spilled coffee, freshly mopped surfaces, or rain tracked indoors. The fix? Immediately mark wet areas with those bright yellow signs, use anti slip mats in problem spots, and consider non slip shoes if you're in a high risk area. Second, cluttered walkways. I'm talking extension cords snaking across floors, boxes left in hallway, or tools scattered around. This is such an easy fix. Just keep traffic areas clear and make sure everything has its proper storage place. Finally, unstable surfaces. Broken stairs, uneven flooring, or that sketchy ladder that's been in the supply closet for 15 years. Regular inspections are key here, and always maintain 3 points of contact on ladders. Number 2, hazardous chemicals. These silent threats can cause anything from minor irritation to lifelong health issues. First risk, skin contact. Think acids, solvents, even strong cleaning products. Always check the safety data sheet, wear proper gloves and goggles, and wash up immediately if exposed. Second, toxic fumes. Painting, welding, even some industrial cleaners release dangerous vapors. If you're working with these, proper ventilation is absolutely crucial, and respirators when needed. Finally, storage dangers. Ever hear you should never mix bleach and ammonia? That's because improper storage can create deadly chemical reactions. Always keep chemicals in their original labeled containers, separate incompatible substances, and make sure storage areas are well ventilated. Number 3, electrical hazards that can shock or start fires. First, exposed wiring. Those frayed cords you keep meaning to replace? They are accidents waiting to happen. Simple fix, use cable protectors and replace damaged cords immediately. Second, overloaded circuits. Look, we all want to plug in our phones, but daisy chaining power strips is playing with fire, literally. Use proper surge protectors and spread out your power needs. And damaged equipment? If a tool sparks or gives you little shocks, stop using it. Tag it out and get it repaired. Your life's worth more than finishing that project today. At number 4, fire risks. First, flammable materials. Storing paper next to heaters or chemicals near sparks, bad idea. Keep flammables in proper cabinets away from ignition sources. Blocked exits might seem harmless until there's a fire and people can't escape. Keep those emergency exits clear 24/7, no exceptions. And test those smoke detectors monthly. A dead battery could mean the difference between a close call and a tragedy. Number 5, sneaks upon you. Ergonomic hazards. That hunch over your keyboard, it's slowly destroying your back. Adjust your workstation so your monitor's at eye level and your wrists stay straight. Repetitive strain injuries are no joke either. Take micro breaks every 30 minutes to stretch. Your future self will thank you. And heavy lifting? Lift with your legs, people, or better yet, use equipment so you don't have to lift at all. Number 6, machinery dangers. Unguarded equipment is terrifying. We're talking missing saw guards that could cost you a finger. Never remove safety guards, period. Forklift accidents cause hundreds of deaths yearly. If you're not certified, don't even think about it. These aren't toys. And lockout tagouts saves lives during repairs. If you're servicing equipment, lock it out so no one can accidentally start it up while you're working. Number 7, noise hazards. That constant factory noise, it's permanently damaging your hearing. If you have to shout to be heard, you need protection. Speaking of, earplugs only work if you wear them properly. None of this dangling one earplug look I see on job sites. And workplaces should monitor noise levels. Over 85 decibels for long periods? That's hearing damage territory, folks. Number 8, biological hazards. Mold in damp areas? It's not just gross, it's dangerous. Improve ventilation and clean regularly. Bloodborne pathogens are every nurse's nightmare. Proper PPE and sharps containers are absolute musts. And sick co-workers, if you're ill, stay home. You're toughing it out, could hospitalize someone with a weaker immune system. Number 9 hits different, stress and mental health. Chronic overwork leads to burnout, mistakes, and health issues. set boundaries, and take your PTO. Workplace bullying isn't just part of the job. Report harassment, no paycheck is worth your mental health. And that 24 by 7 email culture, it's toxic. Companies need to respect personal time if they want productive employees. Finally, number 10, working at heights. That wobbly ladder isn't a challenge, it's a death trap. Always secure it properly. Missing guardrails on scaffolding? Absolutely unacceptable. Never work on unguarded platforms. And roof work without fall protection? Just don't. Harnesses and safety nets exist for a reason. Use them every single time. There you have it, 10 common workplace hazards and exactly how to protect yourself from each one. Remember, safety isn't about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, share it with your coworkers, and subscribe so you don't miss our future safety videos because at the end of the day, everyone deserves to go home safe to their families. Stay safe out there.